Divide the sum of 4.6 and 0.76 by 5 and the quotient will be. It means you have to plus first add these two numbers 4.6 and 0.76. First we'll add these numbers 4.60 and 0.76. Why this 0? Because after point the second number has 2 digits, so we have to put 2 digits over here. So add this 0.6, 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 above 4 plus 1 5, 5.36. Now we have to divide this number by 5. Check out this yellow part. 5.36 divided by 5. 5 on the 5, then minus, this is 0, then bring this 3 down. 5 and 3 it doesn't go. Put this point also over here. So 5 zeros are 0, bring this 6 down, 35. 5 sevens are 35. 1 remains. So the quotient is 1.07 and the remainder is 0.01. Remember. So we want only the quotient 1.07. C is the